Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the quick hands-on and the unboxing of the Realme U1 smartphone that is now launched by Realme. This is going to be the first phone with the Helio P70 chipset from MediaTek, which is an upgrade from the Helio P60 that was powering the Realme U1, the first phone from the company. And now we are going to see the same kind of design, that is the glossy back. And first let's do the unboxing of the phone. This is the new logo of Realme that was recently launched, and this comes with three colors. The Realme U1 has three colors, which is Ambitious Black, Brave Blue, and Fiery Gold. And the bottom of the package shows the price. This is the 3 plus 32 GB variant, and the MRP is shown as 12,999, but I guess it should be priced at around rupees 12,000, which should be apt pricing for this one. And as soon as you open the box package, this is the first accessory kit where you first get the smartphone information booklet and then the quick start guide. Along with that is this rubber case to protect the back of the phone with the proper cutouts. Now this is the smartphone that comes with a 6.3-inch display with the notch on the top, and on the back is that glossy back, but this is not glass. It's actually a plastic one, which is usual case with Oppo and Realme smartphones. They do still look good, though they might not be the same scratch resistant as glasses would be. And then this is the 5-way 2-way output travel adapter, and finally this is the micro USB cable, indicating that the phone comes with the micro USB connectivity. So these are the only accessories in the device package. And coming back to the phone itself, it comes with that color OS based on Android Oreo, and we might soon see the Android Pie update on this smartphone. And it comes with the micro USB connectivity and the usual set of buttons, that's the power button on the right and the volume rocker buttons on the left side of the phone. And there are quite a lot of pre-installed applications. Now opening the SIM card tray on the left side, what you notice is that this comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is a good thing because most of the times users are always worried about the storage, and getting the lower variant with 32 GB variant, you feel that you might need a dedicated micro SD card slot. Those were the Geekbench scores, and this is the 1,28,000 of the Android benchmark score. Now getting into the specs quickly, this is a Helio P70 with the Mali G72 MP3 GPU, which was the same on the Helio P60. It comes with 13MP plus 2MP rear camera combination, where it's an f2.2 plus f2.4 aperture, so the cameras might not be that good, but then we'll have to test them out before we tell the final verdict of it. And on the front is what is the interesting part here. There's a 25 megapixel camera on the front of the phone, and which is said to be one of the best when it comes to this price range, and this goes as one of the good front-facing camera phones when compared to the Realme 2 Pro, which has a good combination on the back of the device. So that is it about the important specs of the phone. The phone weighs about 168 grams with the battery in it, and that's a non-removable 3500 mAh battery that supports 5-way 2-way charging and not more than that. And the front-facing camera, that's the 25MP one, comes with the f2.0 aperture, and it has the Sony IMX576 sensor there. And this supports the basic all the standard connectivity options, including the dual VoLTE, in case you're wondering about that. And this was all about it. Before we end this video, you can check out this quick gaming done by Vivin from GizmoManiacs. You can subscribe to their channel, and thanks to Vivin for the help on this video. And you can check in this gaming part that the phone does well with the gaming, and it runs the HD graphics, not more than that. You cannot play more than that, and still the graphic output is quite good. So this was all about the Realme U1. This was a quick overview and hands-on with the unboxing of the smartphone. We'll be soon doing a full proper gaming review and the camera review of the device. And if you do like this video, do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.